In 2025, the world is buzzing with innovative AI tools that are available for free. People from all walks of life are harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to enhance their productivity and creativity. From students to professionals, everyone is diving into this new era of technology. One of the standout tools this year is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps users craft compelling stories and essays. It not only suggests improvements, but also helps generate ideas, making the writing process smoother and more enjoyable. Graphic designers can rely on an incredible free AI design tool that allows them to create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. This tool offers suggestions on layouts, color schemes, and typography, empowering even beginners to produce professional quality graphics. For software developers, there's a remarkable code generator that simplifies programming tasks. Developers can input their requirements, and the AI quickly produces the necessary code snippets, drastically reducing development time and effort. In the realm of education, AI tutoring software is transforming the way students learn. This tool personalizes the learning experience by adapting to individual student needs, providing tailored resources, and offering instant feedback on their progress. Content creators are benefiting from an AI video editing tool that streamlines the editing process. Users can simply upload their raw footage, and the AI automatically selects the best clips, adds transitions, and even suggests background music. Social media managers are using AI analytics tools to track engagement and optimize their content strategy. These tools provide insights on audience behavior, helping managers make data-driven decisions to improve their social media presence. For musicians, an AI music composition tool is available that helps compose original pieces by analyzing user preferences and styles. Aspiring musicians can create unique tracks without needing extensive knowledge of music theory. Language learners can take advantage of an AI language practice tool that provides conversation simulations. Users can engage in dialogues with the AI, enhancing their speaking skills and gaining confidence in their language abilities. Wellness enthusiasts are turning to AI fitness apps that create personalized workout plans and nutrition advice. These apps are designed to adapt as users progress, ensuring they stay motivated and reach their fitness goals. As we embrace these free AI tools, it's clear that they're not just enhancements, but essential companions in our daily lives. The future of AI is bright, enabling us to achieve more while working smarter, not harder. Let's explore the endless possibilities these tools offer and unlock our true potential in the age of artificial intelligence. The journey has just begun, and the future is here. AI tools are not just for experts. Everyone can benefit and contribute to this exciting digital landscape. Together, we can shape a future where technology empowers creativity and innovation for all.